So let us upload our first YouTube video. I usually prefer YouTube Studio to upload my videos, but I'll show you how you can upload your first video using your YouTube channel. So you can click on upload video in your home section and just click here, and you'll be automatically redirected to studio.youtube.com. So this is the way right now they have are preferring, and you cannot upload using Classic Studio. So earlier you could have used Classic Studio to upload directly from your YouTube channel, but YouTube Studio is much more powerful, so you can use YouTube Studio only right now to upload your videos. So it is really great that they are making it by default the default upload tool to upload the videos. So I'll just click on the right hand side. I'll just dismiss the notification here. So it's very simple. You just need to drag and drop your file here, or you can select files here. So if you click on select, you just have to show the path where the video is existing. If you want to upload a video by just dragging and dropping, you can also drag and drop it on your channel page. So I'll just drag and drop here instead of showing the path, and automatically it will be showing that it is getting uploaded. So I just wanted to upload this video. It is showing as my internet speed is really fast, so it is uploaded very superbly. So let me just show you what is the size. So 63 MB is uploaded within probably 2-3 seconds itself. So it will first upload your video, then on the left hand side below you will be able to see there is processing. So processing is being done on this video. So SD format is first uploaded. SD stands for standard definition, and then the HD version of this video will be uploaded. So by that time, when the HD processing is being done, you should write the title of your video. So here I'll be writing Introduction to Digital Marketing Part 1, and I'll be telling something about what exactly this video is. So I have already uploaded this video on my other channel. I'll just copy that description from there. So I'll just copy this description. So here, and I'll just paste it here. So I'll remove irrelevant text which is not relevant to MBA funders. Here I have written the description, and downside I can select a thumbnail, or the thumbnail would be automatically generated once the SD processing is done. Right now it is at 0%. Sometimes it takes time to process also, depending on the servers at YouTube. They are processing your video and optimizing your video for their hosting solutions, and till that time let me just configure the other option also. So I'll come back to thumbnail section once this is automatically processed. The next section is playlist. If you want to create a new playlist, or you want to add this to any playlist, you can do that from here. Existing playlist also you can select. So playlists are nothing but a series of videos which you want people to watch. So these are nothing but a group of videos which you want people to watch. Like you create a playlist of similar music which you would like to listen, you would be able to do that. Again, there is a new policy that is by Google. If this video is made for kids or not, you have to specifically mention here. So there is Children Online Privacy Protection Act, which you have to tell that if it is made for kids or if it is not made for kids. You can also put a age based restriction by selecting age restriction. In the downside, you can see that currently my video is processed at 99%. SD processing is done. So age restriction is nothing but you can restrict your videos to the viewers over 18 years of old, or you can make it public and make it viewable to everyone who will be able to see your videos. So once SD is processing, you can see that the processing of HD version has begun. SD version has already been started. So here if I scroll up, the thumbnail would be generated in a while. Auto generating it is in the mode. So processing of HD is going on. If I click on more options, I'll be able to do a paid promotion or product placement also. I can check this if I have a paid promotion or product placement in my video. For this tags is very much important. in order you to reach out to the right kind of people. So whenever someone is searching for your content, so they will be able to see, suppose it's a video about some restaurant, so you can use tags like restaurant review. Suppose it's a video about guitars, so you can use tags like guitars and all this thing, which I'll be telling you in detail when we'll be uploading our second video, and how to choose this tags correctly. I'll be making another lesson on this tags itself, that what are the tags, how to reach exactly. I'll be telling you about tips and tricks. So here I'll just write the tags like digital marketing would be one of my tag, and I'll just press comma to in order to just differentiate between two different tags. I'll just press comma, you will get this rounded corner. Then learn digital marketing would be another keyword. This is nothing but tags or keywords which you can call. Then introduction to digital marketing, I'll put. Then I can put my brand name also, MBA Fundas. I can put another company name, DigiSAS. Then what is digital marketing? Learn digital marketing online. So these are the tags which someone would be searching, would be able to see into my. If you have a specific language in your video, you can select the video language also, and you can select the caption also. You can also choose the recording date and location if you want to specify that. License by standard, it is a standard YouTube license which is applied. You can also allow embedding. Embedding is nothing but you can embed this on other websites and other blogs also. You can allow this to do the embedding. Publish to subscription feed and notify the subscriber. If you take this, automatically this video would be directly published to the subscription feeds, and it would be notified to the subscribers. Category is something which you can choose here. So this is an educational category, so I'll just put educational category. Other categories are cars and vehicle, music, pets and animals, sports, gaming, comedy, entertainment, all this category. So whichever is relevant, you can choose that particular category. Then comments and rating, I can allow all the comments. I can hold potentially inappropriate comments. I can hold all comments for review, and I can disable comments itself. So whichever is proper for you, you can do that. Here I can see that the HD version is also finished processing from YouTube server. I can sort my comments by top or newest. So if you want to have a newest comment first, you can do that also, and you can also show how many viewers like and dislike this video. So here let me just scroll back and see if my thumbnails are generated. It's still getting generated. Let me click next and tell you about more important features. So this add end screen and add card I'll be telling you in a later lesson. I just need to upload this, so I'll click next, and here you have the option to make it video public, unlisted or private. So here you will be able to choose how do you want people to see your video. Is it public, available for everyone? Unlisted means those people who would be having the link would be able to see this, and private if you want this to be a private link. Then once you click save or publish, your video will be published. So I'll be covering in depth about all these things. This was just a lesson about how to upload your first YouTube video, but in depth I'll be covering each and every individual topic, and I'll be telling you about how exactly you can grow your subscriber and monetize YouTube channel. Thank you.